Bonjour, my majestuous peacock. Hope you're doing well today. This is Lya Pouleyy, your wellness creative coach. Today I'm going to talk to you about who I am and what do I do, what I'm doing, and how it's going to help you in your life. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my YouTube channel as well. So stay tuned. I was born and raised in Paris from Cameroonian parents. I moved to New York in 2014. So everybody has a life mission, and mine is really to help you finding the light inside you and around you. So that's the pretty version. But to make it more understanding, I'm helping you in your wellness journey to heal your childhood trauma, your transgenerational trauma, your just past trauma. I'm helping you finding your way. I'm helping you unlock different blockages. I'm helping you being the better version of yourself. I'm helping you being healthier, happier, finding your purpose in life. I'm helping you with all of that through a creative way. It means that I'm really into art, into body empowerment, into self-love, self-esteem, and self-confidence. In my life, I've been doing a lot of amazing, crazy things, from being graphic designer for Disney in Paris to being on stage with the bestest rappers, working from fashion weeks, or teaching dance to incredible places, or modeling for the greatest artists, the greatest companies. I've been doing so much, and today I'm ready to share everything with you, to share all my knowledge, everything that I've understood. I'm ready to share it with you. I've been helping individuals, couples, families, friends, corporations all around the world. During the lockdown, I've been providing a lot of art healing sessions, and also I've been providing my program, the Kamga Ngnie Method. Today, I have all the tools to help you in your wellness journey, and I want you to be able to express yourself without speaking. That's my forte, actually. When the words are missing, your body is your language, your creativity is your language, your emotions are your language. This is when they come into action. So if you think that you want to start something new, if you think that you want to make some change in your life, if you think that you want to start all over, if you're confused, if you feel that you need to talk but you just don't know how to express yourself, this is where I'm here for you. So as I was saying before, I have a program called the Kamga Ngnie Method. It's a yearly program which helps you making the change that you need, that you want, that you desire in your life. But for more information about it, you can go on my website www.lyapouleyy.com, or you can check the video about my method. The link is just like at the right corner. But just to let you know a little bit about the Kamga Ngnie Method, during that program I offer arts and craft, dance, body movement and body healing, modeling and self-image healing, self-confidence, self-love and self-esteem, and body understanding. And also we're gonna do some cooking, some fun way to cook. I just want you to understand that food really helps you to raise your vibration. It's a fuel to your body, sure, but it's also fuel for your soul. And you can eat healthy and have fun when you eat. Also doing something really cute and fun that you're gonna enjoy eating. Each week, I'm gonna post some videos about the different activities that I offer in my program, the Kamga Ngnie Method. So I'm gonna sort everything off on different playlists, so it's gonna be really easy for you to access to those videos. I also host a podcast. BRL stands for Blessing or Lesson, just for you. I share my own life experiences and tell you at the end if it's a blessing, a lesson, or both, and how creativity and self-love help in that life journey. I also share people's experiences with their consent, of course. So sometimes they come here to record with me, sometimes we do that through a Zoom call or any type of call that I can record. So if you want, you can also share your experience. I really created this channel for you to understand that you're not alone, that it's possible to start over, that it's possible to want, desire, and deserve a better life, that it's possible to fix a lot of things, and this is possible through creativity. That's really important for you to understand that, and that's why I created that channel, because I really want you to be better, to feel better, to be a better version of yourself in a very, as I said, creative and also holistic way. I'm a very spiritual person and I'm trying to be the best person day after day, and that's what I want for you. And sometimes, we can feel out of the world. We don't really understand what's going on. We don't really understand the people around us, even the people we love the most. And this is why I'm creating that community, because I want you to understand that you are not alone. And with the Kamga Ngnie Method, I offer you an opportunity to be yourself, to be a better version of yourself, for your soul to upgrade, for you to embrace your emotions, for you to embrace your future and your life mission. And once again, you are not alone. And COVID time has been an amazing awakened time. And I know a lot of you guys want that change, want that transformation, but just doesn't know how and where to start. So I hope I'm going to be able to help you in this wonderful transformation for a better future. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can email me at contact@lyapouleyy.com. You can also shoot me a DM on Instagram, Lya Pouleyy. And that's it for me. Thank you so much. Don't forget, take care of yourself, take care of your heart, take care of your emotions, take care of your soul, take care of your beloved ones, and drink water. Bye.